Have you ever walked down the street, spotted a familiar face, and suddenly your mind goes blank? The name is right there, but no matter how hard you try, you just can't remember it. It's frustrating, isn't it? Most of us blame it on getting older. But here's the truth. Aging isn't always the real reason for forgetfulness. Often it's simply a lack of brain exercise. Let me introduce you to Dr. Rahul Jandial. He is not just any neurosurgeon, he's one of the most respected experts in the world for helping people recover from serious brain injuries, Alzheimer's and strokes. Dr. Jandial believes that most brain problems come from not giving your brain the right kind of workout. It's not about age, forgetfulness, or luck. It's about simple, daily habits that anyone can do. No matter how old his patients are, Dr. Jandial helps them rebuild their brains and reclaim their lives. This leads to faster thinking, better concentration, and fewer emotional outbursts. His book, Neurofitness, is all about how the brain can be trained and rebuilt. It enhances cooperation between different parts of the brain while calming the nervous system. It also sharpens intuition and helps prevent panic attacks. Today, I'll share with you 3 of Dr. Jandial's most powerful brain-boosting hacks. Sit comfortably, relax, and try to clear your mind. These aren't just random tips. They're backed by science, used by monks and yogis for thousands of years, and proven to work by Dr. Jandial himself. Dr. Jandial recommends a simple technique called square breathing. This method is over 2,500 years old and has been used by Buddhist monks and yogis to calm the mind and sharpen focus. So grab a glass of water, find a comfortable spot, and let's get started on this journey to a sharper, healthier brain. Chronic stress floods your brain with cortisol, which can damage neurons and make it harder to remember things. Let's talk about stress. It's everywhere, and it is not just bad for your mood. It actually shrinks the part of your brain responsible for memory. But there's good news. When it's working well, you feel calmer and more in control. Here's what square breathing does for your brain. It improves the amygdala's function. The amygdala helps you handle emotions and stress. It helps the cortex of the brain. Rhythmic breathing helps new nerve fibers grow in the cortex, the outer layer of the brain. It protects neurons and keeps cognitive function stable. It helps brain cells, neurons, and their connections work correctly, making memory, attention, and speech stronger. But what if skipping breakfast could actually help your brain? And doesn't eat again until 9 a.m. the next day, drinking only water or tea. He says this helps him stay focused and perform long surgeries with a clear mind. Drink water or tea and notice how your energy and focus change. Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how it goes for you. Try this every day for 2 weeks, and let me know in the comments if you notice a difference. But did you know that standing and moving actually helps your brain grow? When you stand or walk, your body releases a protein called BDNF, which is like fertilizer for your brain. When you give your body a break from food, it starts to clean out damaged cells and toxins. This process, called autophagy, is like a spring cleaning for your brain. This is enough to start seeing benefits. It boosts mental activity and improves the nervous system. Now let's try it together. Find a quiet, private place. Put your phone away for 5 to 10 minutes. This routine is said to have been created by the philosopher Lao-Tzu to keep his mind clear and his body healthy. It takes just a few minutes, but the effects can last all day. Ready? Here's how you do square breathing. Try to stand for at least 90 minutes a day, broken into sessions. Notice how your focus and energy improve. Breathe in deeply through your nose for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out through your nose for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4 before your next inhale. Let's do this for a few minutes. I'll guide you. Breathe in through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out through your nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause for 1, 2, 3, 4 before your next inhale. Repeat this cycle for several minutes. How do you feel? Calmer? More focused? That's your brain thanking you. Let's talk about breakfast. Most of us grew up hearing that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Dr. Jandial and neuroscientists at Johns Hopkins University have found that intermittent fasting, especially skipping breakfast, can help rejuvenate the body and trigger processes that counteract aging. Dr. Jandial himself uses a 16-hour fasting method. He finishes dinner by 5 p.m. if 16 hours sounds tough. Start by skipping breakfast twice a week, with at least a 3-day gap between fasts. Try this routine every morning or evening, and see how it helps your brain and mood. Try it this week. Skip breakfast on Monday and Thursday, for example. Most of us spend way too much time sitting at our desks, on the couch, in the car. Dr. Jandial's research shows that standing for just 90 minutes a day can boost your memory by up to 15%. That's a huge difference. So, how can you add more standing to your day? Here are a few simple tips. Dr. Jandial uses them with his patients, and now you can use them too. I'd love to hear how it goes for you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss new insights. Use a standing desk or prop your laptop on books. Wishing you well-being, happiness, and a mind that stays young for life. Take phone calls while standing or walking. Do simple exercises like heel lifts, stand on your toes, and lower back down. Repeat 20 times. Let's try a quick standing exercise together now. Stand up. Take a deep breath. Now, rise up onto your toes, then lower back down. Repeat this 10 times. How do you feel? More awake, more focused. To complement these hacks, let's talk about ancient Chinese face massage. Here's how you do it. Yin Tang. Massage the spot between your eyebrows in slow, gentle circles. Around the eyes, use your fingertips to circle your eyes, applying gentle pressure. Near the corners of the mouth, press gently on points about 1 centimeter from each corner of your mouth. Under the eyes, press lightly on the points just below your pupils. Nose and neck. Massage the sides of your nose from top to bottom, then gently rub your neck from top to bottom. Cat washing. Pretend your hands are cat paws and gently wipe your face from top to bottom. Hair combing. Massage your scalp with your fingers, moving from your forehead to the back of your head. Tapping the heavenly drum. Cover your ears with your palms and tap the base of your skull a few times. Let's try this together now. Massage the spot between your eyebrows in slow, gentle circles. Now use your fingertips to circle your eyes, applying gentle pressure. Press gently on points about 1 centimeter from each corner of your mouth. Press lightly on the points just below your pupils. Massage the sides of your nose from top to bottom, then gently rub your neck from top to bottom. Pretend your hands are cat paws and gently wipe your face from top to bottom. Massage your scalp with your fingers, moving from your forehead to the back of your head. Cover your ears with your palms and tap the base of your skull a few times. How do you feel? More relaxed? More alert? Let's quickly recap the 3 brain-boosting hacks from Dr. Rahul Jandial. Square breathing calms your mind, grows new brain cells, and protects your memory. Skip breakfast twice a week, triggers your brain's cleaning process and helps prevent memory loss. Stand more, sit less, boosts BDNF, improves memory, and keeps your brain young. These aren't just random tips. They're proven strategies from one of the world's top neurosurgeons. If you try any of these hacks, let me know in the comments. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a sharper, healthier brain.